On this holy Christmas day, there is a gentle knock. Not from the world, but from heaven itself. Listen carefully. God is speaking to you today. My child, says the Lord, behold, I stand at the door and knock. Today is Christmas Day. The world is busy. Homes are filled with noise, lights, food, and preparation. People are rushing, laughing, worrying, planning. But I am standing quietly at your door. I am not knocking loudly. I am not forcing my way in. I am waiting patiently, lovingly, gently. Many doors are closed today. Not because hearts are hard, but because hearts are tired. You have lived many years. You have seen joys and losses. You have celebrated Christmas with full tables, and you have spent some Christmases with empty chairs. I know. I see the photo frames on your wall. I see the memories you carry silently. I see the prayers you whispered when no one was listening. Today, I am not coming to judge you. I am not coming to remind you of your failures. I am coming as a guest. A special guest. I say to you, open your door. Not the wooden door, the door of your heart. You may say, Lord, my house is not perfect. My faith is weak. My body is tired. My prayers are slow. But I tell you this. I do not enter perfect houses. I enter willing hearts. This Christmas, I am not asking you to decorate for me. I am not asking you to cook for me. I am not asking you to impress me. Just talk to me. Sit with me for a moment. Tell me what hurts. Tell me what you miss. Tell me what you fear about tomorrow. I already know. But I want to hear it from you. Many people are too busy today. They have plans, guests, phones, and noise. But you still know how to be quiet. And in that quiet place, I am knocking. Do not think you are forgotten because your hair is gray. Do not think your prayers have expired with age. Do not think your tears no longer matter. I have come to your house today because you matter deeply to me. Open your door. I am not in a hurry. I will wait. My beloved child, says the Lord. When you open the door, I do not rush inside. I come to sit with you. I know your steps are slower now. I know your body gets tired easily. No nights feel longer, and mornings sometimes feel heavy. That is why I did not come to give you work. I came to give you rest. This Christmas Day, I am not standing in your house like a stranger. I sit beside you quietly. I notice the chair you prefer. I see the Bible placed carefully, even if it is not opened every day. I see medicines on the table. I see memories resting in your eyes. You may feel the world has moved ahead without you. Children are busy. Voices are fewer. Messages come less often. But I have not moved away. I say to you softly, talk to me. Not fancy words. Not long prayers. Just honest words. Tell me about the people you missed this Christmas. Tell me about the prayers you prayed years ago and are still waiting for answers. Some prayers were delayed, not denied. I remember every tear you wiped secretly. Every night you asked, Lord, are you still with me? Yes. I am with you now. I came to your house today to remind you that your life is not over. Your purpose is not finished. Your prayers still rise like sweet incense. You may not travel far anymore, but your faith travels to heaven. You may not stand long in church, but your heart still kneels before me. Do not feel small. Do not feel useless. Do not feel left behind. This Christmas, I did not come with loud celebration. I came with peace. I came to calm your heart. Came to lift quiet burdens. I came to heal old wounds that still ache. Sit with me for a while. You do not need to rush. I am not leaving soon. My dear child, says the Lord, do not measure your value by your strength. Measure it by my love. I know there are days when you feel invisible. People speak over you. Decisions are made without asking you. Your opinions are heard less. But I hear you. I have heard your voice from the very beginning of your life. Before your hair turned gray, before your hands grew weak, before your body felt heavy. I loved you then. I love you now. 20.52. 42%. This Christmas Day. I did not come to your house because you are strong. I came because you are precious. You may feel your best years are behind you, but in my eyes, no season of your life is wasted. Your quiet faith teaches others more than loud sermons. Your patience preaches louder than many words. The prayers you whisper slowly, sometimes with trembling hands, shake the heavens. Do not think your life has become small. It has become deep. You have learned compassion through pain. You have learned trust through loss. You have learned hope through waiting. And I treasure that. I know you worry about your family. You wonder who will guide them when you are tired. You ask me silently, Lord, will they be okay? Yes. I am watching over them. Just as I watched over you through storms you never thought you would survive. Remember the times you thought everything was over yet you are still here. That was me. This Christmas, I came to remind you that you are not living on borrowed time. You are living in my grace. Your breath still has purpose. Your smile still brings light. Your presence still carries blessing. Sit peacefully. Do not be afraid of tomorrow. I am in your house today. And when I am present, nothing is truly lost. My beloved, says the Lord, I know tomorrow worries you more than yesterday. At night, when the house becomes quiet, your thoughts become loud. You think about your health. You think about your children. You think about what will happen next. Sometimes fear comes softly. Sometimes it comes suddenly. But I am still sitting with you. This Christmas Day. I did not come only for your past. I came for your future. You may not know how many days remain ahead, but I know every one of them. Not a single day of your life has escaped my care. Do not be afraid of growing older. Do not be afraid of being dependent. Do not be afraid of being alone. You are never alone when I am with you. I know there are moments when your body feels like a burden. Pain visits without permission. Sleep does not come easily. I see it all. And I say to you, rest in me. You do not have to carry everything anymore. Lay your worries at my feet. You carried responsibilities for many years. You were strong for others. Now let me be strong for you. Do not fear the future of your family. I will guide them even when you cannot. Do not fear your weakness. My strength shows best when you are weak. This Christmas, I brought peace. Not answers to every question, but peace to your heart. When fear knocks, remember who is sitting beside you. I am not leaving after Christmas. I will stay in the days that feel ordinary, and in the nights that feel heavy. Trust me. Your tomorrow is safe because I am already there. I know some wounds never showed on the outside. You smiled for people. You stayed strong for family. But deep inside, some pain remained unspoken. This Christmas Day, I did not come only to visit your house. I came to touch your heart. There are memories you try not to think about anymore. Words spoken years ago that still echo quietly. Mistakes you wish you could undo. I know. You have asked me before, Lord, is it too late now? Can anything still change? Listen carefully. It is never too late for healing. It is never too late for forgiveness. It is never too late for peace. I am not limited by time. Some pain stayed with you because you never placed it in my hands. You carried it alone for too long. Today I say to you, give it to me. Give me the regret. Give me the guilt. Give me the sorrow you still hide. You do not have to explain it perfectly. Just open your heart. I am gentle with broken places. Do not rush healing. Restore slowly, lovingly. Forgive those who hurt you not because they were right, but because you deserve peace. Forgive yourself too. You did the best you could with what you knew at that time. I do not remember your failures. I remember your faith. This Christmas, I did not bring condemnation. I brought mercy. Let my peace rest upon you. Let it settle into your heart like a warm blanket on a cold night. You are safe with me. Christmas is not only about noise, songs, or crowds. It is also about quiet rooms, soft light, and a heart that is listening. Your days may feel slower now. Time passes differently. Some hours feel long. Some memories feel close. But light still comes. Even a small lamp removes darkness from a room. In the same way, my presence brings light into your ordinary days. You may feel that nothing special is happening in your life anymore. No big changes. No big celebrations. But peace is happening. Healing is happening. Strength is quietly returning. This Christmas, I did not come with excitement. I came with comfort. 0.15. 39%. I sit with you in your silence. Stay with you when words are few. I understand prayers that never reach your lips. Some days you feel hopeful. Some days you feel tired. Both are okay. Faith does not always shout. Sometimes faith simply breathes. You may not feel powerful. You may not feel joyful all the time. But you are not forgotten. Light does not ask how old the room is. It only enters when there is space. And you made space today? That is why this Christmas feels different. Quieter. But deeper. There are moments when the house feels too quiet. The clock sounds louder. The walls feel closer. Silence begins to speak. Loneliness is not always about being alone. Sometimes it is about being unheard. Christmas brings memories. Voices from the past. Laughter that once filled these rooms. But today, there is still presence. This house is not empty. It is filled with something gentle, steady, faithful. I remain with you. After the decorations are taken down. After the day becomes normal again. I do not leave when celebrations end. When others visit and go, I stay. You may sit alone, but you are not abandoned. Every breath you take is noticed. Every sigh is understood. Every tear has meaning. You do not need to fill the silence. You do not need to explain yourself. Companionship does not always speak. Sometimes it simply stays. That is what I do. When evening comes and you feel a little heavier inside, remember this. Someone is sitting near you. Someone is watching over you. Someone cares deeply. And that presence will not fade with time. There are things you still remember clearly. KB/S. 38%. Faces. Moments. Decisions that shaped your life. Some memories bring warmth. Some bring quiet pain. The past has a way of sitting heavy when life slows down. But it does not have to weigh you down anymore. You have carried many responsibilities. You have endured things you never talk about. Now, it is time to loosen your grip. Not everything needs to be solved. Not everything needs an explanation. Some things only need to be released. You are allowed to let go of what you could not change. You are allowed to accept what you could not fix. Peace comes when you stop fighting yesterday. Gratitude grows when you notice what remained. You are still here. Still breathing. Still loved. This Christmas visit was not meant to open old wounds. It was meant to close them gently. Nothing from your past disqualifies you from peace today. The past shaped you, but it does not control you. Sit quietly. Let calmness settle. You have done enough. Life may feel slower now, but it has not become empty. Every morning you wake up is not an accident. It is permission to live one more day with grace. Purpose does not always look like work. Sometimes purpose looks like patience. Sometimes it looks like quiet faith. Sometimes it looks like simply being present. You may think your role is finished, that others are carrying things forward now. But wisdom is not loud. It settles quietly and blesses without effort. Your calm presence comforts people more than you realize. Your prayers still cover lives you may never see. Hope does not always come as excitement. Sometimes hope arrives as steady breathing and a peaceful heart. The days ahead do not need to be feared. They do not need to be filled with plans. They only need to be lived one step at a time. Joy can still appear in small moments. A warm cup of tea, a gentle sunrise, a quiet prayer that feels heard. Your remaining days are not waiting for an ending. They are still carrying meaning. This Christmas visit was a reminder of that. As life slows down, something else becomes clearer. You notice small things more. You feel deeply. You understand what truly matters. Thankfulness is not always loud. It does not need many words. Sometimes it is just a deep breath that feels peaceful. You may not have everything you once hoped for, but you have survived much you once feared. That itself is grace. There were days you did not know how you would continue. Yet here you are. Not rushed. Not broken. Still standing in quiet strength. Acceptance does not mean giving up. It means resting. Resting from regret. Resting from comparison. Resting from the need to prove anything. You no longer have to chase meaning. Meaning has found you. Peace comes when the heart stops resisting life and starts receiving it. This Christmas visit was gentle for a reason. It was not meant to excite you. It was meant to settle you. To remind you that calm is not emptiness. It is fullness without noise. Let thankfulness fill the space where worry once lived. You are exactly where you need to be right now. The visit does not end with today. The door you opened this Christmas does not close when the day ends. Did not come only for a moment. Came to remain. When night falls and the house becomes quiet again, that presence will still be there. Not demanding. Not rushing. Simply staying. You do not need to hold on tightly. You do not need to worry about doing everything right. Just keep the door open. Open with honesty. Open with trust. Open with whatever strength you have left. Even silence is welcome. 2.2. 36%. This Christmas was not about what you gave. It was about what you allowed. You allowed peace to enter. You allowed rest to settle. You allowed yourself to be visited. And that is enough. When tomorrow comes, walk slowly. Breathe deeply. Lie gently. You are not walking alone. You are not facing the days ahead by yourself. The one who knocked is still inside. And where that presence remains, fear loses its voice, loneliness finds comfort, and the heart finds rest. Keep the door open. This visit was never meant to end.